everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles, and today I wanted to share with you guys a cool item I got for my birthday or Christmas present, I can't remember, for my brother. And this is the special Friends edition for Legos, and it's this cool little sort of open space kind of television set version of the Central Perk. And so it's really cool that I got it. He got it for me last year and hadn't had a chance to ship it to me until recently, and so I was really excited to get it, and I can now put it together and show it to you guys. So I'm a huge fan of Friends. I was just, in starting out college when it started, and it was just that perfect time of when it came out, and thought it was just so hysterical. And it is a classic TV show. It's kind of funny to see how popular it is now, and lots of people are watching it again and stuff. Makes me feel old, but it is a great show, and I'm really excited to get a chance to put it together here for you guys. So I'm going to turn on the, high speed settings here on the camera and get started putting things together. So when it's all put together, I'll show you guys little parts of it when I'm done. Okay? See you on the other side. Bye. So I got it all put together now, and it is amazing. Oh my goodness, it was like so much fun to make. I guess maybe in total it took me 3 to 4 hours probably to finish the whole thing. And it's just such an amazing design. You guys should check out the details about how it came to be. It's part of the Lego Ideas program, where people will present ideas of a plan, and if it gets over 10,000 votes, then it possibly will get moved into being made into a real Lego kit. And this gentleman from France had made his design, and it just happened to coincide around the time of the 25th anniversary of the first season of Friends starting. So it was a good time to kind of go with it. And he created this great sort of setup here of Central Perk, with the idea being that it's actually not a real place, but the TV set of where everything is set up here. So you have these kind of cool angled spaces here, and the camera, the little lights here, here and here, and then you can kind of see everything in that way. And it's just so well designed. I love it. I can't even tell you guys how many cool little things are hiding here that, if you're a big, fan of the show, you'll be totally be like, wow, that is so cool. They included that too. Obviously, there's space over here for Phoebe to perform. You also have the keyboard for Ross if you want to use him instead. And then, of course, this just moves out, and you can put that on there real easily. And I think they all have the two faces, so you can flip them around and change their face. That's Ross there. And Phoebe with her guitar. And Rachel with her coffee tray. And Chandler with his briefcase. And Monica with a cupcake, but it won't stay in her hand so well, but that's her. And good old Joey with his man bag. I love that. Oh my God, so funny. And some pizza, of course. And Gunther, good old Gunther with his crazy little bright shirt that he would always have. And then lots of coffee mugs, so that if they all wanted to sit down, they could. Lots of places to sit down. You could easily have, 3 people seated at the couch. There's 2 nice chairs here. Here's the chair that Ross usually sits in. a lot of the time. I mean, it changes, of course, but then they have the stools in the back over here too. This super adorable little cash register with a little knob. The espresso machine little thing here is so cute. Just really awesome little small details like that. You have the whole window over here that is for the setup, but then if you want, you could pop that out. And I just wish this had been engineered a little cooler, but you have to actually pop out the plastic, but then you can turn it around and have there be this space here in the front where you can have Phoebe performing out in front too. The doors open, of course. Those are awesome doors, very important doors in our stories. And I just love this. Oh my goodness, how perfect is that? Joey and his blue lipstick from Tokyo. It's so funny. So that is just really, really, really adorable. And I mean, you never really see even that side of the building. So it's just such a cute style. So many neat little extras. I don't know if you guys can see the cool little menu back here with the framing on it. It's just gorgeous. Every single detail is so cool. And the really cool thing is too, that if you wanted, you can, one of the big things that kind of made promotion for this with, is you can take this part out and then you could just have this section with them, you know, everybody sitting here if you wanted to. And there's a space here, you know, you could have like Rachel, I think, standing over here if you wanted to. So everybody could have a spot, you know, she could be working, and then you could have everyone seated, and you can have this just as something like that you'd like to have like on your desk or something. It's just such a clever little thing, and I'm breaking it already. Yeah, sorry, that goes here. But it's just such a cool set, and I'm like probably forgetting something, but it was just so much fun. All the little details that they added into it really was a lot of fun to make. It's such a unique kit with so many strange features to it as I'm putting it together, and you're like, what the heck is all this about? It was just really cool. So and then it has, like, you know, it's just basically smooth here, but then there are these little places for you to be able to do stuff. So it was a lot of fun. Very easy to pop things in and out if you want to. So I would really recommend it. When I first saw it, it of course sold out immediately, and I really wanted it, but it was really hard to get a hold of. So we had to wait a little while, but then it became available again. And to be honest, I don't know if it's available now or not, but it is a lot of fun. So if you're a fan of Legos, if you're a fan of Friends, I mean, goodness, this just makes me want to watch all of it again. The clothes are so cute. I saw a couple of really great videos from the people that created it, and it's just neat to hear their, you know, stories, and you can totally see these are all styles and fashions that they had in the, you know, first couple of seasons of the show. So that is kind of cool. I thought you could totally recognize some of these outfits from that. But yeah, it's just so freaking cool. Wow, I love it so much. And I really have to say that even though, I mean, everyone looks really awesome. Gunther looks epic, but Ross's face is just so perfect. I don't know. I just think he's like a really perfect version. You know, and Joey's little eyebrow. So funny. Such a great thing. Oh, they all look so cool. So, yeah, so that is something I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.